Hi, I'm Lisa Lavender, Chief Operating Officer of the Restoration Technical Institute. Welcome to Training Success Tips. In this series, you're going to find quick, actionable, interrelated tips that you can immediately put to use. They'll help you improve the impact of training and development for the individuals and the teams in your company. You'll enjoy a better ROI on the efforts and the resources that you invest in training. You'll ignite a training culture. So in episode 2, we're going to be talking about what is impact. After all, at the end of the day, that's what we're trying to create when we're trying to develop people. We want to make impacts in their lives, careers, on their job performance, and ultimately also the business objectives. This is a model based on Professor Brinkerhoff's HPLJ methodology. So as a quick overview, we have a training intervention. We have the acquisition of knowledge, the development of skills, new behaviors, new attitude. That now has to specifically be applied to the job and performed well. This then has to contribute to our business objectives. This is important because as we make decisions to invest our time and resources and engage our learners, we want to be able to align it to our business objectives. And that's going to be important with many of the tips and approaches that we delve into as we go. This may be things like providing exceptional service. We may specifically want to see an increase in profit. Could be a new initiative, strategy, new tool, new systems. So when we are talking about a training intervention, we have to remember this could be anything from a formal class, an in-house session, self-paced, e-learning. It could be training on software, other office functions. The training could be 5 minutes or it could be a year-long process. It's important that the training and development is specifically now being applied to the job and be performed well. If we train somebody on the best practices of demolition, for example, and then work on developing the skill over a period of time with our learn, do, get feedback, and repeat model, and then it's not being applied to the job, it was useless. It had zero impact. Or maybe that training and development wasn't even relevant to the job at all. No impact. So it's really important that we understand the formula and how it all is going to tie together as we engage managers, learners, and develop our systems. So let's talk about contributing to the business objectives. This is where you may have documented or know your business objective. It could be a strategic plan, a new initiative, things you want to do like improve profits in certain service lines, improve your net promoter score. Could be a whole new line of service. You may say, we want to add duct cleaning to our service offerings. The bottom line is that we have to be able to take that training intervention, get it developed, applied to the job, and then it has to have that linkage. And that's going to help us engage learners, set clear expectations, and engage managers. All critical ingredients to our culture. So may understanding how impact happens help you and your teams get much continued training success. Thank you.